you put people in a position where they're happy to be in the meeting. They know that the meeting is going to be fun. It's not going to be a beat down, or it's not going to be a negative festival. No negative Nellies. You know, we're talking about positive energy, positive reinforcement, a winning philosophy, a winning attitude. You know, the Dennis Waitley, you know, just think positively. You could always introduce, you know, a phrase, a quote. You can start your meeting with the idea that Abraham Lincoln said one time, if I had 6 hours to cut down a tree, I would spend the first 4 hours sharpening my axe, so I only had to spend 2 hours of work time to cut down the tree. I mean, that's kind of the basis of how you might want to start your meeting. Introduce videos, introduce YouTube, introduce quotes, do whatever you can to make it fun, make it prosperous, make it a meeting environment that people can learn from. So that's the input that I would give you.